As the state recovers from last week's record-breaking snowstorm, Louisiana's strawberry farmers are facing their own uphill battle.
That's right. Some crops are holding on, others nearly wiped out, leaving growers to adapt quickly to save the harvest. WDSU North Shore Bureau correspondent Shawanda Jones joins us from the strawberry capital of the world, also known as Ponchatoula. Shawanda.
Yeah, local farmers here in Tangipahoa Parish are finally able to start assessing damage and to really just start getting back to work, getting back in those fields after last week's historic freeze. 1 week after the state's biggest snowstorm of the century, workers at the Harris Strawberry Farm in Hammond were back in the fields. The harvest is slim. The damage is heavy. How much of the crops would you say that y'all lost?
Oh, I say 85%.
85%?
Yes.
That's a lot.
I know.
7 minutes away in Holden, Landry Pochet Strawberry Farm fared better. Next year marks their 100th harvest. This season, 2 layers of frost covers made all the difference, but every berry couldn't be saved.
Quality, not quantity.
Still, 20% of the Pochet family strawberries are burnt, blackened from the inside out.
And you see how nice and pretty that one is?
Yes.
All right. Typically, if you get one that's damaged from frost or cold, the inside of that will be black.
Back at the Harris farm, burnt buds are found almost on every plant. Jose, who's been tending strawberries for almost 20 years, says it's tough to see this much loss.
Well, we got to take care of the plants, and they will come back.
Okay.
You know?
So it's just about timing.
Yeah, time.
But he remains confident that the next batch of strawberries will be ready right on time for Ponchatoula Strawberry Festival in April. Reporting live from the Strawberry Capital, I'm Shawanda Jones, WDSU News.